Begin by saving the map. Go to Save As. We're going to call it Historical Indiana G327 and save the map. Here what we're going to do is this time we're going to add data. And so there should be a file, a zip file that was included in the assignment. So we're going to add layer from file. And then here we're going to go to Browse. And you'll want to select the Population Census Data Historical. Go ahead and click Open. Import layer. Just leave everything as is. And now we start playing with the map. And so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to change the map name. We're going to rename this one. Instead of historical, we're going to put 1890. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change the style and we're going to select a new attribute. And what we're going to do is this PDENS 1890. And what's that? Population density in 1890. There's another one that shows the actual population count, but we're going to use population density. So what we're going to start off by doing is, this is going to get very repetitive, so get used to doing this. We're going to first off select 1890. And then the drawing style, you can change it. You can leave it as is. But we'll just go ahead and, I'm going to leave this one blue. So go ahead and click Done. And next, if you go up here to see more options, you're going to hit Copy. And now you're going to rename this one 1900. And then you got to change the data. Choose an attribute. This time PDENS 1900. Wait for it to change. Then click Done. And you'll repeat this over and over and over until we get to the year 2000. Alright, now I've created all the layers, so we have them all, so you can check them on and off over time. And go ahead, and this is a good time to go ahead and save. And we've just created all these different layers by essentially taking that data set that was a zip file, and now we plugged it away. And so now let's create a presentation. So to do that, go over to this tab, click on Create Presentation. And now you're going to add a slide. And it's going to say Population Density 1890. We go down, and we want just one layer exposed, and that's going to be the 1890. Then we'll add a new one, and this one will be just 1900. Added another one, let's do 1940. Do another one, call this one 1970. Add another one, and we'll do 1990. And finally, 2000. Hit save. And then we're going to play the presentation. Of course, we're going to save it. And now we've created a series of maps in which we can identify changing patterns over time in the population density of Indiana. So definitely you see in central Indiana and northwest Indiana especially the growth in those metropolitan areas. Finally, for this, all you have to do is go back to the presentation. Make sure you see save is dimmed. That means everything's saved, ready to roll. Now we're going to go to edit map. So it's going to take you back to the original map. Go to share. This time, click both boxes, and now presentation. Make sure the presentation. Then what you're going to do is then going to copy that, and that's all you do. Paste that, and that's activity 4, option 1.